If you want to automatically extract products from any Shopify store to CSV or Excel, you can do so in just a few easy steps. First, open your Shopify store and click the extension icon in your browser. You'll see three options: Export Products, Export Collections, and Export Best-Selling. All exports are available in CSV or Excel format. Clicking the Export button opens the dashboard page. Here, you can see the product's image, title, and type. You can sort the information by clicking column headers, including price, published, and updated. Notice the three buttons on the right side of each product. Link of product directs you to the product page. Product detail shows additional details. Search on AliExpress lets you quickly find similar products on AliExpress. Next, you can search for keywords to find specific products and export the search results, or select specific products and export them. CSV files are formatted for Shopify imports. Excel files come with proper data types, like dates and prices, for easy reading. Click Export. For safety, go to Settings to adjust request intervals and enable pause mode to reduce fetching risks. In just a few simple steps, you can easily extract products from any Shopify store to CSV or Excel, making sorting and data analysis more convenient.